Hi, I'm Chris Blanchette. Welcome to the Assembly Zone. Robotics assembly is likely one of the first images people have when they think of robots. Automotive manufacturers were essentially the first industry to standardize on robotic assembly automation. Speed and precision are the driving forces of robotic assembly. FANUC offers a variety of highly reliable assembly robots that are dexterous, repeatable, compact, and fast. Our Scara line handles payloads from 3 kilograms to 12 kilograms with a 20 kilogram variant on the way. These are fast and ideal for 4-axis processes in a variety of industries, from electronic battery cell assembly to circuit board assembly. For more intricate processes, 6-axis robots are a great option, and we've got plenty. The LR Mate featured here is one of 11 variants with payloads up to 14 kilograms. This is an LR Mate 200ID 7C clean room robot, which is ideal for assembly processes in the microelectronics, medical device, and consumer durable goods markets. Intelligent features like integrated 2D and 3D IR vision and force sensing enhance the assembly process. In this medical device assembly application, the LR Mate uses IR vision to pick plastic lids and assemble them onto the bottom housing in the assembly fixture. A robot-mounted force sensor is used to execute push and pull tests of the assembly for quality checking. The flexibility of robots allows manufacturers to optimize workflow, increase capacity, and easily produce a wider range of products because they can perform multiple value-added processes, eliminating the need for expensive fixed automation. This collaborative assembly cell is a great example. The tight footprint and mobile platform extends the work envelope to multiple processes. Our newest collaborative robot is the CRX series. These robots are a great solution for handling loads up to 10 kilograms. They offer an extremely easy programming environment and a variety of teaching methods. This screw driving application is a great alternative for ergonomic and repetitive tasks. FANUC robots are great for assembly automation. If you're new to robot automation, our Authorized Systems Integrator Network can provide a tremendous amount of support with your application. We are here to help you get more control over your operation and look forward to speaking with you about FANUC solutions.